Video, I will show you how to delete your eToro account. To do this, open either the eToro app or the website. Once you are logged in, scroll down a little in the left hand menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Account. If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you will see the option to close your eToro account. Go ahead and click on that. eToro will then ask why you want to leave. You can choose any of the listed reason, or if it is not there, select other and explain further. For example, you could choose personal reasons and type something like I need money for personal reasons. Click continue. You will then see some information about closing your account. Select no, please close my account and click continue. Before doing this, make sure to withdraw all of your funds from your eToro account because once it's closed, you won't be able to get that money back. After withdrawing everything, click confirm to proceed. At the end, you may be asked to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your email or phone number. Once that is done, your account will be deleted. If the video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.